Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can update TikTok account to newest version. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's dive into it. So to do so, what you have to do is simply have to go ahead and open up your app store, cause for you to simply update to the newest version is simply have to update your app. Go to the app store and type in TikTok. We can see the TikTok right away appearing over here. And if your app is not updated to newest version, you will automatically find the update option. Tap on the update option, and update is simply re-downloading and reinstalling the newest version on your device. Once the installing has been done, you can tap on open, and then there you go, you will have the updated version of TikTok itself. And now you can start browsing and start using the TikTok as usual, how you used to use it. And that's basically how it appears to be. So all you have to do is go to the App Store or Play Store according to your device, and simply tap on search your app and tap on update, and you're good to go. That's basically how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.